Hey, Grammar 6. All right, guys, today we're going to be doing lesson 105. Yep, lesson 105. So that is page 567 in your text. And it is using proportions to solve percent problems. So, guys, the numbers in my textbook are the same as yours. The word problem is a little different, but the same idea. So just stick with my book for right now. And then, of course, when you do your lesson practice and mixed practice, do what you have in your textbook. Okay, so today we're talking about proportions and using proportions to solve percent problems. So again, a proportion are two equal ratios. So x over 5 is equal to 10 over 20. Well, we know that 10 over 20 is equal to 1/2. So what is half of 5? So x would be 2.5. Proportions are equal ratios. So that's what we're going to be working with today. So let's just do a quick refresher. We're going to be doing percents. Remember, percent literally means out of 100. So if I'm saying 30%, I'm literally saying 30 out of 100. Okay, it's important for us to know that because this 100 right here represents the total, and especially the total in a group, and we're going to use that in this example. So example 1 says 30% of students earned an A on the test. If 12 students earned an A, how many students were there in all? Well, we know that 30% of them is 12 actual students. So if we were to say 30%, which is 30 over 100, is equal to, so we're going to say 12 over the unknown. Here's my unknown. Then we can just cross multiply and we can say 30x is equal to 1200. You're going to divide both sides by 30. And here you can cross off that. We have x is equal to 40. And what that means is that there was a total of 40 students altogether. Out of those 40 students, 1/3 or 30% got an A. That 30% was equal to 12 students. All right, let's go to the next problem. Here's the math that you'll see. Feel free to use the actual proportion tables or the ratio tables. If they help you, awesome. If not, totally fine. Just don't even worry about it. All right, let's look at example 2. It says only 40% of the team members played in the game. If 24 team members did not play, then how many did play? Well, first off, let's go ahead, turn the page. There we go. Clear the board. Let's go ahead and do this. So we know that there was a total of 40 that did play. So I'm going to put play, okay? And so 40 that played out of the total 60. So go back and read the question. 40%, if 24 team members did not play, then how many did play? All right. Okay, so excuse me. All right, so this is did not play. So again, we're looking for that total. We know that we're looking for 40%, which is 40 out of 100, right? So 40 out of 100. So to get there, we know that if 40 played, that means that 60 did not play. So let's go ahead and set up your next ratio. We don't know how many played. That's my unknown, right? We do know that 24 did not play. So now we're just going to go ahead and we're going to cross multiply 40 times 24, and 40 times 24 is going to be 960. 60 times p is equal to 60 p. Sorry, this is so sloppy. We're going to divide both sides by 60. And you get p is equal to 16. And so what that means is that out of the 24 players who did not play, 16 did play. All right, guys, I want you guys to do your practice problem in your textbook. I'm sure it's a little different than what is in here. Let me take a look. A, B, and C, 40% of students. Yeah, so do yours are about paintings, I believe. And yeah, so guys, make sure it gets checked by a older sibling or a parent, and then go on to the mixed practice. And then yeah, that's it. So I think that is it. We'll check in tomorrow and hope you guys have a great rest of your day.